Hi everybody, welcome back to Attic Train 769. My name is Matt. We're going to be here to do another review today. I'm going to be trying to do some older reviews on some older engines that people like myself who are younger getting into this train hobby, we tend to go to like Sound 2, Odyssey engines, TMCC, and I found that it's very hard to find any useful videos on some older engines. I've had to buy engines in the blind, not knowing what they sound like. And this, I hope, will be able to help some people out when they're looking, saying, I want to get a Sound 2 engine, man. I want to help you guys out and get you guys some videos of the content. So if you're looking to buy an engine like an older engine, I'll be able to help you out here and maybe have a review for you on it. Let's get into what we're going to be doing today. Today we were going with a nickel plate Road Mikado by MTH, Sound 2. It's 5-volt Sound 2. This guy's got a lot of detail compared to the Sound 1 engine. It's also equipped with the digital command system, DCS, so you can run it with a controller like so, with your TIU. So we're going to dive in and do a review on this thing today here and do a couple runs with it. And yeah, we'll get you guys set up and we'll go from there. We'll start talking about this engine. So, nickel plate Road 599 Mikado. If you look here on the front, we have a brass bell that rocks back and forth. Got illuminated headlights, white lettered number plate. Got a cow catcher on it, illuminated marker lights. And then we got over here on the side, we have our builder's plate. Our side rail here is color matched to the boiler. It's silver up front, and as you go back, it's black. Got all of our watering pipes down here. Go down to your cylinders and everything like that. Very detailed compared to the Sound 1 engines, its predecessor. This thing still has the drawbar, metal drawbar with the plug that goes in the back because it's a 5-volt engine. Got a nickel plate road here on the side. Got an illuminated tail light here on the back with marker lights on the back that illuminate. We'll go up here top. Got brass safety relief valves. Got tether that goes to the whistle here that goes all the way back to the cab, along with the tether here that goes all the way front to the bell. We got some red valve handles to make it look more realistic. On the Sound 1 engines, the valves were not red. So, yeah, we'll get this thing fired up here and we'll see what she sounds like. Let me grab my stand here for you guys and we can get this thing going. Alright, guys. Let's fire this thing up here. Off the bat, sounds really good. Sounds really good. Does have a fan-driven smoke unit in this thing. The synchronized puffs. Let's see what the whistle sounds like here. Sounds great. How about the bell? Okay, so let's listen to the PFA here.
Looks like the freight yard's just ahead. Can you see the switchman?
Yeah, I see him. He's waving us in. The switchman's signaling us to stab it here.
Okay, looks like they're going to cut the order. We'll get your order set out right away. Thanks. Check the level of the tender, will you? How's you been firing? Seems real good. Water level looks good.
As you can tell, it's got a nice PFA on it.
Take a look at the general orders. The conductor's given us the highball signal. We're ready. Tell them to close that up. Let's get down the line.
Coupler slack. Let's get her hooked up to a load of cars here. We got her hooked up. We got 12-car train here today. So let's see how she pulls her. when I had purchased this engine, it had a bad speaker, and I was able to purchase a great sounding PertaSound 2 speaker replacement upgrade from V Thonky's 2007 through 2011 on eBay. He's a great seller, great with shipping, has great products. He carries BCRs for PertaSound 2, 3, and 5 volt engines, as well as he has speakers for 3 and 5 volt PertaSound 2 engines. He also has BCRs and replacement speakers for PertaSound 2 engines. He also has replacement speakers for PertaSound 1 engines and BCRs to put in there. So check him out on eBay at V Thonky's 2007 through 2011. I will put a link in the description to his eBay channel.